Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. When a transaction occurs on Ethereum, the web starting that prices must pay was known as a gas fee to miners for their work. The problem with non-fungible tokens on the Ethereum blockchains is that it is an expensive network, and thus gas fees can rise unreasonably when the numbers the height demands to make transaction is high. The high prices are function of the popularity of NFTs coupled with the lack of scalability of Solana'S version of the Ethereum blockchains. The scalability issue applies to change as the project moves from the proof of stake POW continuous algorithm to proof of stake POS. Is the known are they safe to Ethereum 2 until then token creators have to decades whether the lovely face are worth it of they should give another blockchains a try or abandon NFT altogether. Blockchains are critical infrastructures underlying cryptocurrencies. The common feature of this distributed ledger is careful updating of the cryptographic security. Variable communication reroute among a network of pairs are operating under a correcting set of the rules enforced through the software itself. The record is owned or operated in common by anyone anywhere. Whether research in shared ledger technology goes back decades, and the overall of the Bitcoin blockchain introduced the first distributed ledger technology that was strictly denied the reason to censorship, seizure, and collision. Blockchain technology is the various manifestly including the Ethereum blockchains and others. It's ultimately a global continuous system. EI it allows people to coordinate the corporate around a network source of information with the trusting each other or the central administrator. Use cases are wide-ranging from finance and energy trading to supply chain management. At Cointelegraph, we are consulting that employing blockchain industry is it revenue or overhead, or both? Will it become the solution to securing trust in finance and global trade? What will be the rate of blockchain transaction in the coming years? Stay tuned to find out can spark hang upgrade to conspiracy in bear market with high energy costs. On Thursday, the company announced a purchase agreement with crypto solution for 10,000 Bitcoin emitters 19 JS per unit for a total price of $28 million. In July, Conspark disclosure the prices of over 1,000 Bitcoin miners from one miner M38 at the stability discount price in June. The mining company also bought 1,800 Esminer 19 SXP rings. Prior to Her Majesty's date, she received a warm gift from British blockchain icon back in 2021. Queen Elizabeth II with the threat about the innovation that the technology can bring. The article on gender change information, blockchains, and GDPR made the impression on Her Majesty. Later on, the United Kingdom has the green light to sell coins in this year's Queen's speech, which had the superiority of it by Prince Charles and the Queen couldn't participate due to health issues. As the country is leaning towards crypto, it will be exciting to see how the plan revealed in this year Queen's speech is put into motion. Since Queen Elizabeth's date, some members of the crypto community have started to capitalize on its creating over 40 Queen-related meme coins just overnight. The Queen's speech year during the stablecoin Bitcoin BTC rose in value by 8% to $20 over the last 24 hours, the most seen in over a month as the markets reached the possibility to record hike by the European Central Bank ECB and the first of the rate hike by Federal Reserve Bank FED. Conference Jim Powell hitting a peak so far on Friday, 19 September 2022. On Thursday, 8 September 2022, the ECB announced a 75 basis point interest rate rise, taking its benchmark deposit rate to 75%. Following the news, BTC managed to post that $20,000 restraint level to trade 20,728 at the time of writing. Following suit, the price of Ethereum ETH, a storage hitting $1,696 at the bank. This is to further rise to $1,000. One of reason for the Bitcoin and Ethereum is value is the answering around how central banks are willing to go in terms of rising interest rates in the face of rising global economy. Maybe that's all for me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.